Hello dear wisdom seekers, welcome to Soul Seeking Wisdom, myself Parvi Agarwal, and today I'm going to talk about death. Yes, I said it. So basically I'm going to talk about death in a very different manner as I talked about death in my last video. So those who do not know, my last video was about this poem that I wrote, the poem of death, and usme I said ki death is not an escape, it's a beautiful culmination of life. Now today मैं एक complete different perspective of death रखने वाली हूँ, and for better engagement with that perspective I want you to think deeply. Initially pause this video and think deeply, what do you think about death? So I know most of the people are afraid of thinking about death. They find it as a horrendous topic that we should not even touch and let it be, just let it stay away from us. But I need us to understand that being afraid of death ultimately shows us our own fear, and unless we work on this fear we're not going to grow and evolve. So today I'm going to talk about death in a manner that why are we afraid of death? Because we are too attached to this mind and body of ours, and there is a famous quote that states that dying before death is the realization of life. I read it somewhere and I do not remember where, but I did read it somewhere. So dying before death is the real, beauty of life. And what this quote means, according to me, subjected to interpretations, what this quote means according to me is that we associate ourselves too much with our body and our mind, and we in this century have associated the amount of work we do, the value we give to people, we equate it to who we are. And we are not just this mind who is capable of intellect and logic, we are also this soul that is here to grow and evolve. So this is something that I always say, ki this physical body and mind is going to perish. Nobody is going to remember it. It does not matter. What matters is this soul. Is this soul that will remain forever. It will remain even after our physical body dies. So working on it, making it grow, healing parts of it becomes very important. And human life is basically just a way via which the soul has got this ability, the soul has got this opportunity to experience different things and reflect inside via those experiences. I know it got a little bit complex, लेकिन what happens is that our soul needs to evolve. And वो evolve कैसे होगी? उसके evolve होने के लिए it needs to has some stimuli. वही stimuli हमारी life की situations होती हैं जो हमें हमेशा कुछ सिखा रही होती हैं. May it be a good situation, may it be a bad situation, may it be whatever. So why is death important, and what I really mean when I say death? So those who have seen my introductory video, they do know that I am a worshipper of Shiv, and Shiv is the god of death. So एक idea death का ये कहता है कि death is always of the negative. Death is never of the positive. Positive always ascends, and while ascension, what is left behind is what we call death. And this is a very beautiful way by which we can understand ourselves, that we have positive and negative both inside of us. And when we start growing our positive, growing our light, and light is grown via awareness, so when we start growing it, automatically our negatives start shedding away. And when those negatives shed away, they die, they get out of our bodies and minds and souls, and when they die, we call it death. So what do you think? Should we consider death to be negative or positive? However, I do understand that death can be seen in that way that our physical body and mind, they are dying. But I'd still say that death is not negative even in that sense, because when your physical body and mind dies, they die only when your purpose of your soul is complete in this lifetime. Or they can even die if you have incapacitated yourself to fulfill that purpose. So that is what I think till now. There could be more interpretations. Again, I keep giving disclaimers. These are not exhaustive things. I am still learning, and this is what I know. So our body and mind will die only when either we have incapacitated ourselves, our souls, to fulfill their purpose, or our souls पर्पस हैज़ बीन फुलफिल्ड, वॉट जो मेरी सोल को इस लाइफ में करना था वो कर चुकी है. नाउ व्हेन माई सोल विल लीव दिस बॉडी, it will raise higher, it will choose and chase a better purpose, a different purpose, or it will go to a place wherein it can learn more. So why is it negative? I mean, just look at it as passing a semester. When you have passed a semester, you have learned this thing, you're going into the next semester to learn another thing, and until you graduate you will keep learning. So that is what the nature of life and death is. And once you realize that how trivial this body and mind is, how trivial the fact is that you and I are alive, you'll realize the spiritual beauty in it. And I know it's not easy to realize this is in one day, with one video, with one thought, but I need you to give it a proper thought, a deeper reflection, that we have been doing so much in our lives, we have been working so hard in our lives. For what? To establish an identity, to get a good sense of self, to feel good about ourselves, या फिर to make people feel good about ourselves. But what essentially is the purpose of all of it? Is it serving any purpose, or is the real purpose of this entire game only to ascend your soul? Now, I do not say that do not take care of your body and mind and do not work on your body and mind. You need to work on your body and mind as well. But completely giving into the fact that you're just your body and your mind is a way by which you can get stuck into this matrix of the world. So many people call it matrix. Matrix is basically the trap, the illusion that this world is. So when you go out, you see people hustling, running from here and there, going and trying to reach a goal and stuff like that. Is that really what we are meant to be? Now, I do not deny the fact that I am not hustling or running. I am also hustling and running, but I keep in mind the fact that I am not I'm not only what I do. I am not only what I can do or I can give. I am also this soul. I'm also the soul that is here to learn from all these interactions. So again, there has to be a subtle beauty in which we can harmonize जो हम कर रहे हैं, जो हम हैं. So we do need to harmonize the fact कि I am hustling towards a goal, I am running towards a goal, and उस goal तक पहुँचने में there are going to be a lot of turbulences, there are going to be a lot of problems, difficulties, ups and downs, highs and lows, and on highs and lows say I am going to learn. Those learnings are not merely to reach that goal, those learnings are also to heal my soul and ascend. So ultimately, if I get that goal or not, that does not matter, because ultimately my body and my mind are very trivial. They are going to perish one day. What will remain are those learnings. So to take it a level down, to make it very simple, the fact is that we do not work for the sake of reaching to a goal. We work for becoming a soul that is ascended, and we ascend from every single thing. We can actually ascend from every single thing, right from a minor interaction with a random individual to a major discourse with a philosopher. We ascend, and ascension, working on ascension, thinking about ascension is very important, because unless you connect with the path you are meant to walk on, you're not going to be aware of where you are. Matlab, if I am stuck in thinking ki bhai, I need to achieve this, I need to achieve that, etc. If I'm stuck on that, I'll never focus on the learnings that my soul is getting. And soul's learning have a primal requirement of awareness. And for the sake of awareness, we indulge in these discourses, we do debates and dialogues, and we think about ourselves, we do self-reflection and stuff. So yeah, that was it for today, and I would really like if you would share your thoughts, your perceptions and your views on whatever I said, because ultimately spiritual discourse or philosophical discourse is always about discussion, and I would really love to hear your views. And as always, keep seeking wisdom.